How to increase your sperm motility fast. Sperm count, sperm health, and sperm motility are the three major factors that are observed for men when checking for male fertility. Sperm motility refers to the ability of the sperm to move ahead via the vaginal passage and ovaries to reach the egg and fertilize it. When the motility rate is low, sperms might be present in large numbers but fail to reach the egg in the first place. By making use of home remedies to increase sperm motility, you can help boost the male fertility back to normal levels in no time. If you new in my channel, please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Here are some of the best ways to improve the mobility of sperm in men. 1. Improving your diet. Everybody knows that a well-balanced diet can take care of half the problems we face in our lives. But rarely are those principles followed. Just the way there are certain foods that can take care of heart problems or diabetes, there are specific foods to increase sperm motility as well. Most of these food items are those that contain a lot of antioxidants and are found naturally as well as in processed items. Linolenic acid is one of those that is quite beneficial to improve sperm motility. Some of these are eggs, spinach, bananas, broccoli, pomegranates, walnuts, carrots, and even dark chocolate. 2. Stay away from chemicals or plastic cookware. Many doctors across the world are surprised by the increasing number of cases that are being reported for loss of sperm motility. One reason that has been postulated is the increased use of chemical-based products as well as utensils that are made out of plastic. As strange as it might sound, there seems to be some truth to it since certain chemicals and constituents present in the plastic cookware do have the properties that can reduce sperm motility. 3. The age of electronics is not good for the sperm. A large percentage of the young population, if not everyone, resorts to using electronic devices for their work or carries a device along with them more often than not. Smartphones have become ubiquitous and many men choose to keep them in the pockets of their pants, closer to the scrotum. At the same time, computers, especially laptops, are used by keeping them on the lap for extended periods of time. More than the heat from the device, the various radiations they emit and the electromagnetic fields they have around them, can affect the sperms indirectly. This is strong when the devices are extremely close to the testicles, putting them in close range of those fields. Using a desk to keep your laptop on and reducing time on the lap, as well as choosing to keep your phone in your breast pocket can help the sperm motility to rise again. 4. Sperms like things to be cool. Your body is a great regulator of temperature and focuses on keeping all the vital organs at the right temperature. The testicles, however, are outside the body and the surrounding temperature is what governs their well-being. Optimal sperm production has been observed when the testicles are a couple of degrees cooler than the body. This is precisely why biology has developed the scrotum to hang outside. If you generally use tight underwear or fitting pants which pushes the sac up to your body, this could expose them to the body heat, hindering sperm life. Opting for longer times in hot bathtubs or keeping warm laptops on your laps for long durations cause the same effect. Whenever possible, try wearing loose boxers and comfortably loose pants when you can, especially at home. This will ensure that your scrotum stays cool for longer times. Start taking cold showers instead of hot ones and you will notice a boost in their motility, too. 5. Stub that cigarette right now. Smoking has many degenerative effects on the body, the strongest of which is a direct impact on the number of sperms and their health. Tobacco contains a number of constituents that are known to negatively react with sperm production and affect everything. If you think the damage has been done, you're in for good news. Research has proven that sperm health rapidly begins to improve once smoking is stopped and the new sperms are healthy and good to go. 6. Healthy sleep goes a long way. Using your bed for conception is one thing. But the bed is also necessary for making sure the sperm are mobile enough to fertilize the egg in the first place. Sleep is when your body is doing the most work. A lot of repair processes take place, your brain puts together all the information it has gleaned, and even your sperm production is optimal. Studies have shown men having a higher chance of good sperm when they get a good night's sleep ranging from 8 hours or so. In a male body, the testosterone production ramps up during sleep and boosts sperm production. 1 good hour of sleep can boost the testosterone level by around 15%, which directly impacts sperm health. 7. Stop consuming alcohol incessantly. Casual drinking has become a norm these days, which has led to men consuming a lot more alcohol than before. But consistent drinking in a week can directly affect the development of sperms. Studies have shown that even drinking 5 beers a week or a tad less than that can start reducing your sperm motility and decrease the sperm count. There's no specific number of drinks that you should adhere to, but the less you drink, the better your sperms will be. 8. Be healthy, be wise, and exercise. Just the way foods and fruits provide vitamins to increase sperm motility, regular exercise is necessary to keep them going strong, too. Testosterone is the reason behind this as well, which is produced during exercise and makes you feel more energetic and powerful. A good amount of regular exercise every day, for 5 days a week, gives a good boost to the sperm count, causing a significant impact. A lot of intense, however, with less time to rest and recover, can adversely affect sperm health. The reduction in sperm count and motility can feel quite emasculating for a man. But this isn't a cause for worry, since you can increase sperm motility naturally by opting for a balanced diet, and some small changes in your lifestyle. After all, a healthy baby can be formed only by a healthy father, and for that to happen, your sperm needs to be healthy as well. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.